My name's Alea McLaren from Vancouver, British Columbia. I am a recent graduate as an aircraft maintenance engineer specialized in avionics through BCIT. I'm beyond grateful to be awarded the Captain Judy Cameron Scholarship and plan to put the funds towards my student loan debts. Currently, I've been working as an avionics apprentice at Harbour Air, where I get to work on historical de Havilland seaplanes such as the Beaver and the Otter. What first inspired me to become an AME was my interest in the theory of flight, as well as learning about the lack of female representation in the field. Being an aircraft maintenance engineer, I believe, is a great career choice for women interested in technology and mechanics, as you'll always be learning something new and it's fun to work with tools. During school, I enjoyed being a peer tutor, and I hope to continue encouraging women and those wanting a career in aviation. Thank you so much to the Northern Lights Aero Foundation, Captain Judy Cameron, and de Havilland for this generous award.